China's diplomatic blitz in the Pacific is falling short of expectations after it was revealed many island nations involved had concerns over a sweeping regional security pact. The Samoan Prime Minister also pointed out that it was problematic for Beijing to seek such an agreement before the Pacific Islands could discuss the deal together.
It just seemed a bit abnormal because the Minister of Foreign Affairs was here and there was this particular proposal from the Chinese that they were seeking regional agreement on. So our position was that you cannot have regional agreement when the region hasn't met.
The remarks were made on the back of a meeting with Australian Foreign Minister Penny Wong. Besides strengthening ties, Canberra has also promised the island nation a new Coast Guard patrol boat. Ms. Wong will be heading to Tonga tomorrow. She and her Chinese counterpart Wang Yi are on competing diplomatic tours of the region. Mr. Wang is currently in Papua New Guinea, his 7th stop. Local media have reported the island's Foreign Affairs Secretary as saying there's been resentment over the regional security pact with China. He also added that Papua New Guinea will deal with their own security matters. The timing of Mr. Wang's trip has been heavily criticised, coming amid simmering tensions ahead of a national election. Papua New Guinea's former Prime Minister, Peter O'Neill, who is campaigning for the country's top job, has said it's improper for China to offer security support for the vote. Now, ABC News had reported Beijing was promising 2,000 body armour kits to police during Mr. Wang's trip.